Every drop counts, part 2. In the first part of the video, you have learnt about different sources of water, surface and underground water and water table. In this part of the video, you will learn to identify customs related to water, identify states in India which suffers from water scarcity, understand the meaning of rainwater harvesting, identify the uses of harvested rainwater, and you will also learn methods to spread messages related to save water. Water related customs and festivals. Water is very important in our Indian culture. Can you imagine life without water? It is said that life originates from water. According to Indian mythology, water is Jal Devta and we worship water as well as rivers. Here in this picture you can see a bride from Uttarakhand who is married and has come to the new village, and she goes to the spring or the pond. It is a kind of worship to water. At some places, whenever lakes get filled up with rainwater, the people gather around the lake to celebrate. So it is all celebration. And in our culture, there are many customs and festivals which are related to water, like Chhat Puja in Bihar, boat race in Kerala during Onam, idol Visarjan during Durga Puja and Ganesh Puja, holy dip in rivers. This is the first page of the chapter Every Drop Counts. Here you can see the picture of Gatsi Sar. Sar means a lake, and it was built by King Gatsi of Jaisalmer. Children, do you know where is Jaisalmer? Jaisalmer is a city which is situated in Rajasthan. This lake was built to collect rainwater. The rainwater was used throughout the year, but now this lake does not exist in Jaisalmer. Now try to find out the place which is represented by these pictures. Yes, try to find it out. These are the pictures of desert region. Desert means only sand, thorny bushes, plants or trees, and very less or no water. Yes, all these pictures represent to a desert area. In our country, Rajasthan is a desert area. Locate Rajasthan in the map of India. This is Rajasthan and it is a hot desert. Now here in this map, you have to locate Jaisalmer and also find the names of some other cities of Rajasthan. Try to locate Jaisalmer. Here this is Jaisalmer. This is Ramgarh, Bikaner, Anupgarh, Ganganagar. All these areas, these are the areas of Thar Desert. Barmer, Jodhpur. And what is the capital city of Rajasthan? It is Jaipur. Some other places are Sikar, Alwar, Bhilwara, Udaipur. So children, try to make a list of the name of important cities of Rajasthan. You have learned that Rajasthan is known as hot desert. Desert means only sand, thorny bushes, plants and trees. Very less or no water. And the area was unfit for farming. But now the face of Rajasthan is changed. Now people are doing farming there, and the face of Rajasthan has become somewhat greener. How? Let us try to find it out. This change was brought by construction of Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal of India, built in 1958. It starts from Punjab and ends in Jaisalmer. It brings water from the confluence of two rivers, Satluj and Beas. This canal was built to change the area of Jaisalmer and other desert area into some useful farming area. So because of Indira Gandhi Canal, the face of Rajasthan has changed a lot. And some facts about Rajasthan are: there are small rivers in Rajasthan and they do not have water in them all round the year. Rajasthan gets very little rainfall. Still, people do not have shortage of water. People make lakes and johats to collect each drop of water because for them each and every drop of water is precious. Every home have a system to collect the rainwater. Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni was a traveler and he came to India more than 1,000 years ago. The place that he came from is now called Uzbekistan. Al-Biruni carefully observed and noted down the details of all that he saw. He wrote especially about those things that he found very different from his own country. So children, do you know where is Uzbekistan? This is the map of world, and here you can locate Uzbekistan. This one is Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is a Central Asian nation. Earlier it was called Soviet Republic and its capital is Tashkent. Remember it. What he wrote, that the people here are very skilled at making ponds. My countrymen would be surprised to see them. They pile up huge rocks and join them with iron rods to build chabutras all round the lake. Between these, there are rows of long staircases going up and down. The steps for going up and coming down are separate, so there is less crowding. In this paragraph, he has written about step wells. Step wells are wells or ponds in which one can reach to draw water by going down by steps to the water level. Not only in Jaisalmer, there are many places in Rajasthan which get very little rainfall. So every house has a system of collecting rainwater. Look at this picture. The rainwater that falls on the roof reaches the underground tank through the pipe. The rainwater is collected in underground tank. The underground tank in Rajasthan is called as Tanka. The underground tank is covered properly and water can be taken out whenever it is required. And look at this picture. This is the picture of step well. Try to identify the steps as well as water. Watch a video clip of Chand Bawri step well situated near Jaipur. This was built to store rainwater that can be used for drinking purpose. It is 20 meters deep with 3,500 steps at 13 levels. Long ago, people used to make long journeys with their caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus, they built many beautiful step wells. Read all these questions and find out the answer. Have you ever faced a shortage of water in your area? If yes, then what was the reason for it? Talk to your grandmother or any elderly person. Find out when they were of your age, from where did they get water for their house? Has there been a change now? What kind of water arrangements were made for travelers? For example, Piau, Mashak, or any other. Now, what do people do about water when they travel? So, this is your assignment. Try to find the answer and write down. Why were step wells, piau, talabs built in olden times? Nowadays, what do people do about water when they travel? Find out the answer and write down. In your pre-primary classes, you must have recited this poem, Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. But in those places where there is scarcity of water, people never say, rain, rain, go away. Instead of that, they try to collect the rainwater, because rain is an important source of water. You can see in the picture, people are collecting the rainwater. Gain from rain, collect, preserve and use. It means do not waste rainwater. In this picture you can see a very simple method of collecting rainwater. This method of collecting rainwater is called as rainwater harvesting. It was a very simple method. The technique by which rainwater is collected in tanks is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater can be collected and used for different purposes. Benefits of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater which is harvested or collected can be used for various purposes. It saves money on water bills. Stored rainwater can be used in gardens, for cleaning cars or other vehicles, can be used for bathing and also for flushing toilets. There is no need of water tanker also. The rainwater is the purest form of water, so it can be used as battery water also. And write 5 sentences on the importance of water. On this poster, it is written, save water, save life and save the world, and many pictures are there. So on the basis of these pictures, you write 5 simple sentences on the importance of water. For example, water is needed for plants. A fish cannot live without water. In the same way, you make 5 sentences on the basis of these pictures. Everyone should take this pledge. I pledge to save some water every day. I pledge to save water, to treat it with care, never to waste it. I will not pollute it. I won't hesitate to tell other people of water's sad state. I pledge to conserve every drop that I can, every day of the week. I understand that every drop of water is precious. I promise to save water, save earth, and save life. So, children, take this pledge and also try to give this message to other people also. Make a poster related to save water for future. Also write a slogan. Why there is never shortage of water in Rajasthan? What is rainwater harvesting? What are the benefits of rainwater harvesting? In this video, you have learned to identify the Indian customs and festivals related to water. Identify the states of our country which face problems due to less rain. Understood the term rainwater harvesting. Identify uses of harvested rainwater. You have learned to create messages related to save water through poster making, slogan writing, and taking pledge. And thank you for watching the video.